Was booked for murder after a body was found in a city park lagoon, and the suspect was no stranger to the criminal justice system. We've learned he had been wearing an electronic monitor about a month before the killing. Investigative reporter Mike Perlstein explains why a judge decided to remove his ankle bracelet.
Mckenzie Fair already had his share of run-ins with the law by the time he started racking up violations while on probation regarding his court-ordered ankle monitor, mostly for failing to charge the device and falling behind on payments.
And we have, just multiple violations every month of him not charging as required.
Following procedure, those violation reports were sent by the monitoring company, Assured Supervision Accountability Program, to criminal court judge Angel Harris. That's why it was so puzzling to ASAP owner Jill Dennis when Harris removed Fair from the program in January.
In a situation where an offender is violating continuously, to gift him with being removed from the program is probably not a good idea.
On February 22nd, the body of Reynard Cennett was found in this body of water in this remote corner of City Park. Mckenzie Fair was arrested that same day. He was booked with being a felon with a gun. While locked up on that charge, on Thursday, Fair was rebooked with second-degree murder in connection with Cennett's killing.
I think we could have supervised him a little bit longer and kept him straight. Maybe we could have made sure that he never winded up back in the jail.
Fair's case is far from the only one in which ankle bracelet violations were ignored by judges in New Orleans. The case of Nicholas Miorana sent shockwaves through the system when WWL Louisiana exposed that he had racked up more than 40 violations and was still wearing his monitor when he was arrested in connection with a quadruple shooting in the French Quarter just before Thanksgiving. Miorana and 2 other men were indicted for murder just this week.
Giving them leeway when they're violating is kind of conflicts with what we're trying to do.
Fair's bail was set this afternoon at $1 million. Mike Perlstein, WWL, Louisiana.
The court says that while Fair did fail to charge his bracelet, he always remained trackable. We reached out to his court-appointed defense attorney, who told us he was just assigned to the case and is unable to comment until he gathers more information.